Hello traders and Market Club members everywhere. Adam Hewison here, looking at the markets. We're going to be looking at Apple as well as the 5 internet stocks that we have in the internet portfolio that we keep for Market Club and all our members. Now, today's a big down day in the market. Is this the harbinger of things that come? We've been talking about this for quite some time. But let's start with Apple and take a look at exactly what's going on with this market. First of all, as you can see, if we just look at Apple, we can see it really hasn't gone anywhere. Sort of trapped in this wide range of trading range, and we've got the RSI just hovering right above or on the 50 line. Now that could change, and you know, Apple did come out with the new iPhone 6 and the 6 Plus. I stopped in the store and people were looking at them, yes, and they said the most popular one was the 6 Plus. But is that really going to make a difference to Apple? And the question is, when they came out with the Apple Watch, it really was just that, just a little watch. They didn't have, it's not going to come out till next year. So they want to try to gauge the interest level, in my opinion, because this is an expensive item to manufacture for them, and they want to be able to sell it. So let's take a look at what the trade triangles have been saying about Apple for some time. So let me just clear the screen, and we just go up to here. Put our monthlies in, and the monthlies are still positive, which is good, from 66.53. But when we look at the weeklies, we're negative from 97.79. The market's 99.71. So the reality is, you know, we've got a signal here, and the market hasn't gone anywhere. So you really don't want to be parking your money in Apple at the moment. It's saying sideline position, trading range 55. Now the trading range could turn into something a little more serious. And if that was the case, the key level to look at in Apple, the key level in our opinion, is 92.57. That to us is where everything changes for Apple. And the question becomes, why isn't Apple stock going up? If this is so, we've had so much bullish news for Apple, the new iPhones, information that it'll be sold in China now. All of this should be very, very positive news, but it's not. We've had the bend gate with the very, very small percentage of iPhones bending and some other technical questions with their operating system. Maybe this is all contributing to the market going nowhere. That's where we stand right now. You should be on the sidelines, which is our position right here of 55. It's a trading range, and you should be looking to buy it if and when we go over the 103 level. I think that's the big level, and this is where the resistance comes in, right here at 103. I'm not sure we're going to get there. I think the general consensus is that the market may be really going through a transition period here from being a 5.5-year, 6-year bull market to maybe a bear market in the overall markets, and that's perception. That's what's going to do that. So let's move on quickly. Here we have our other portfolio: Amazon, Facebook, Yelp, Yahoo, and Netflix. These are all stocks we follow and track and give you the signals every single day. So let's start with Amazon. Amazon could have some challenges here with Alibaba. Look at the action today, and look at where we had a signal to get out. That was at 3:30 on September 9th. So we've had the signal for a long time, almost a month, indicating the prices were going low. And that's from 3:30, the market's at 3:18. So you can see the triangles do work. Now the big area to watch right here, in our opinion, is $14 lower, the 304 level. If we go below that level, 304, then we're going to see this market come under exceptional pressure on the downside, in my opinion. So the level is 304.58. Okay, that's the level. We think things will really change dramatically, and if that's the case, we want to be totally out of this market. Right now the longer term trend favors Jeff Bezos and Amazon being up, but right now it's looking a little bit soft, and I think you want to pay close attention. You should be on the sidelines in this market. Next market is Facebook. Facebook's a little bit different. We do have two green trade triangles indicating the trend is up, and even though we see a sharp down day, we're going to go with our trade triangles. I think it's going to be bucking the trend. But look at where we are on the RSI, up at the 50 line. There should be support right here for Facebook. This is Yelp. Yelp is in serious trouble. We think this is very close to making a major turn. You can see we came out of the stock on the 15th, and that was at $80.15. It's currently trading at $66.97. So we got out very, very well on this market. Now the key level on Yelp is very, very close. So I would really write this up and put a note on your computer. And the key level we're looking at on Yelp is $64.70 a share. If the market goes below that level, then I think we're going to be in serious, serious problems. We are below, obviously, the 50 line, way below the 30 line. We're a little bit oversold. We may see a bounce and find some support around this area, but right now it's in very close to being in serious jeopardy of going into a major downtrend. This is Yahoo. Yahoo, as you know, got a lot of money from Alibaba when it sold their shares. They're in a 55, which is indicating a trading range. You can see our red trade triangle is negative, indicating sidelines position right now. There's talk of breaking up Yahoo. Who knows what that's going to mean, but they've lost one of their jewels, and that was Alibaba. Key level to watch in this stock is $33.16. We're quite a ways from there, but things do change, and that's what we're going to be looking for this month in Yahoo. Last stock, Netflix, not doing well. Down today. You can see the very strong downtrend below the 50 line. Now here's the key level to look at in Netflix, $412.51. That's the level that the trend will change in the month of October for this particular stock. So there you have it. You can follow all of these stocks on our internet portfolio with the exception of Apple. You can follow all of these stocks. We give you the signals, the weekly signals that you need for these markets to be very, very positive in them and really disciplined. Now you can see our key level here was $470 to get out. We're currently trading at almost 10% lower than that. So that's how powerful the weekly trade triangles are. Hey, I'm Adam Hewison. Thanks for stopping by. Every success using the internet portfolio that we have for you, and also some of the other portfolios that we track every day. Have a great trading day, everyone.